welcome to our post-game press conference. We have Eliza Valdez, owner Sherwin Meneses, and Streamline Coast Smashers who won in straight sets against the Cherry People Girls Boomers. Coast Smashers now win the series at 1-2. Coach, congratulations on this win. Yung first set, dominant win over Cherry, but yung dalawang set pa, naging tight yung game. Ano lang din yung masasabi mo sa naging laban ng Streamline against Cherry in this match?
Siyempre, quarterfinals to eh. Wala talagang magpapatalo ng pagkalinggano na lang. Expect naman namin talaga na lalaban talaga yung Cherry Pico. So, ready na kami din sa situation.
Thank you, Coach. And for Eliza, 16 attack points in this game. Personally, ano lang ba yung mga naging preparations mo? Since medyo matagal din yung naging break na before going up against Cherry.
Well, Coach, our coaching staff made sure na we didn't get rusty talaga. We might have had other events, most especially MG's wedding last week. But Coach Sherwin made sure talaga na when we get back, we had to work. And we worked double time during those times, lalo na nung malapit na yung game namin today. So, yeah, ginawa lang namin, well, I guess there was a balance of life and hard work, and I think it worked for us in this game 1.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
For coaching 100 win nyo dito sa
Wow,
PBL.
grabe
What
naman
does
yun.
this mean sa career mo?
Matanda na daw siya.
Oo nga, medyo nagkakaedad na. Pero siyempre, masaya at talagang na-achieve yung 100. Sana mas madami pang panalo na dumating. Especially this season, this conference na madagdagan yung panalo pa. Especially sa mga next games namin.
Sa'yo, Eliza, anong pakiramdam maging part ng ganyang achievement ni Coach
Kevin, Coach Sherwin, I'm with Coach Sherwin since Ateneo, other professional teams then. So we've been together for so long. It's just so nice na magkasama pa rin kami na na-achieve ni Coach Sherwin yung mga ganitong milestones. And, you know, this kind of milestones also secured or polished also kung gaano siya katibay or gaano siya ka-effective as a coach. So it's just, I'm just very grateful and blessed to be under his mentorship as well.
For Atenay, if makompleto niyo na itong quarterfinals, so that would be your 17th straight semifinals appearance. So meaning, mula nung sumali kayo sa PBL, never nyo na-miss yung semifinals. So sa journey na yun, kasama niyo si Coach Sherwin and almost the entire team na rin. So gano'n na lang din talaga kahalaga yung longevity, chemistry, and being intact na kumbaga naging greatest asset ng Creamline over the years na.
Kaya nakalaga, well, it's very important to us, to the whole management, because I think we're always banking on that familiarity to be in this PVL conference and other conferences. And we'll definitely take this an advantage. And hindi madali kasi syempre it's always the question of may magbabago ba, may changes ba, may mga things ba na kailangan kaming palitan because it's been so long, the system has been running for so long. But in the end, we trust each other and we're gonna believe in each other as well. So, pabor sa amin yung ganito kami katagal, and hopefully mas magtagal pa at mas madami pa kaming ma-achieve na milestones in the long run. Hopefully, Lord.
And for Coach, ngayong taon, mula nung last year po yung Grand Slam, then ngayong year, coaching and yung Teamland. So habang tumatagal po, kumbaga yung responsibilities din dumatami sa inyo, pero gano'n ka lang po siguro ka-privilege to be in a position na you're coaching two great teams at kumbaga tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung success mo at this point sa head coaching career mo?
Siyempre, ako naman yung situation na nandyan palagi, yun lagi yung pinaghahandaan namin. Yung past kasi, medyo nandyan yan, pero nakapokus kami dun sa future tsaka mga next game. Dun lang naman ako nagpo-focus palagi. So, hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy and mag-improve pa palagi yung team na hinahawakan ko. Mas mababait naman talaga sila. So, mga masinuri naman. So, ganoon naman talaga. Kailangan yung chemistry ng coaches and players okay.
Coach, speaking of next game, yung game 2 will be on Saturday. So ano lang yung mga nakikita mong areas of improvement pa na kailangan yung work on a team before game day?
Siguro, balik muna kami sa, patanoorin ko muna ulit mabuti. Meron kasi magsabi ng kung ano yung naging lapses. Siguro, balikan muna ulit namin yung game ngayon. Then, wala mo ng break. So, hindi pa kasi tapos yung trabaho. May game pa sa Saturday. So, balikan muna namin yung game ngayon. Panoorin mo na ulit namin.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you.